Z-Axis has installed a new SMT line as part of our $1.5 million expansion. Last month you saw how we load bare boards, apply solder paste, and pick and place parts. Now let's look at the rest of the PCBA process. When rectangular boards leave our pick and place machine, they're arranged vertically. That's not the most efficient way to run them through the oven since they can warp under the heat. Thankfully, we have a board turner to rotate them horizontal. Next, the boards are conveyed to a reflow oven where the solder paste is melted and the components are soldered to the board. Our BTU Pyromax oven has 8 top and bottom zones for faster throughput. Each PCBA has its own thermal profile, so we set the oven to the optimal temperature for the specific board. We also control a temperature ramp up to activate the flux in the paste and prevent splattering or solder balls. Many other electronics manufacturers just select a standard thermal profile based on a number of layers, but at Z-Axis we fine-tune the oven's temperature to truly optimize the soldering process. Once the boards exit the oven, they move into an AOI, or Automated Optical Inspection. Our new Omron machine detects any defects in the boards, including missing, incorrect, or misaligned parts. This advanced 3D Omron AOI also detects errors such as volume of solder, fillet height, and any possible bridging. This inspection is all done according to IPC 610 standards. This investment is a game changer for quality control, especially in the high-mix environment where boards can have thousands of parts. Other manufacturers may test boards for quality, but at Z-Axis we also inspect for it during production. After a board exits the AOI, an inspector uses a barcode scanner to reveal any defects. The Omron supports offline work, and an inspector can address any defects such as solder bridges. With our new SMT line, human hands don't touch a board from the time it's loaded until the time it's manually inspected and scanned. Once a board's put on a tray, the process is complete.